AI Update, Episode 15, March 2025 Breakthroughs and Trends Roundup. Welcome to the final episode of AI Update this month. It's March 2025, and the AI landscape just hit fast forward. This roundup is packed tighter than a token buffer in Gemini 2.5 Pro. Let's dive into the breakthroughs, the trends, and the sheer what just happened of this month's AI world. First up, Google Gemini 2.5 Pro. This model didn't just raise the bar, it became the bar. It offers a staggering 2 million token context length. It's trained on data up to January 2025. It's fast, efficient, and natively multimodal, meaning it works seamlessly across text, images, audio, video, and code. It fixes the code debugging issues of Gemini 2 and outperforms Grok by a statistically valid margin. Users are calling it one of the best hands-on AI experiences yet. Next, DeepSeek V3, also known as V324. Released on March 24. It's an open-source base model, not a reasoning model, but it's now the #1 among non-reasoning models. It uses a mixture of experts architecture and beats some reasoning models like GPT 4.5 in specific benchmarks. It's licensed under MIT and fully open to the public. Stanford's S1 model, also called S132B, is a 32 billion parameter model trained with budget-forced fine-tuning on a small dataset of reasoning questions. Despite its smaller size, it outperforms OpenAI's 0.1 preview on certain tests. Small, smart, and open source. From China, Tencent's T1 model is making waves. It features a hybrid transformer Mamba architecture, faster responses, and strong reasoning skills, especially in math and science. It's trained using reinforcement learning and handles long text with low memory usage. However, it's not open source. Also from China, Kimi K1.5 by Moonshot AI. This is a natively multimodal model available via API and app. It has a 128,000 token context window, solid performance in STEM and general reasoning, and is optimized for speed and cost. It's estimated to run between 50 and 150 billion parameters. Now to Nvidia's Nimotron H. This is a family of vision language models in sizes from 8 billion to 56 billion parameters. It uses end-to-end floating-point 8-bit training. And it's paired with hardware optimized for 4-bit inference. It was trained on a massive 20 trillion tokens of data. That's trillion with a T. From Microsoft, meet Kilum, the knowledge-based augmented language model. This new technique injects facts directly into a model without retraining or relying on external tools like RAG. It's faster, more efficient, and easier to understand, helping reduce hallucinations while boosting factual accuracy. On the creative side, Rever.0 is now the top-ranked text-to-image model. It outperforms Google Imagen, Midjourney, and Recraft. It allows natural language edits, photo uploads, and has a built-in community gallery. OpenAI's GPT-4 now includes native image generation. No more switching to DALL-E. Now, GPT-4 can generate, refine, and understand images directly inside the chat. This means better quality, consistent characters, readable text, and deeper image reasoning. Next up, Quen 2.5 VL32B and Quen 2.5 Omni. VL32B beats its older 72 billion parameter sibling. Omni is a fully open-source, truly multimodal model, supporting vision, audio, and text. Smaller size, more capability. Lite R1 enters the chat, an open-source suite for building long reasoning models with efficient training techniques. Built from Quen 32B Instruct, it beats DeepSeek R1 distilled. And finally, R1 Omni focuses on emotion recognition with explainable, multimodal reinforcement learning. It's part of a trend toward more human-aware AI. Let's talk trends. 1. Enhanced reasoning. Chain of thought remains strong, but a new method called chain of draft is gaining ground, offering similar accuracy with fewer tokens and faster speeds. 2. Multimodality. text, images, video, audio, most new models handle them all natively. 3. Context window expansion. Gemini hits 2 million tokens. Kimi K1.5 runs 128,000. Big memory is now the norm. 4. Open source rising. From DeepSeek V3 to Light R1, S1, and Microsoft Hyperlight alternatives, the open movement is thriving. 5. Real-world applications. Repo prompt, chat-to-DB, and Copilot researchers show AI's growing role in practical fields like databases and academic research. 6. Text-to-image is leveling up. Rever.0 and GPT-4's native image generation are game changers. Ideogram is also noted for its high-quality output. 7. Efficiency matters. Smaller models are outperforming bigger ones. New prompting techniques are saving costs without sacrificing accuracy. So, what does it all mean? March 2025 was a turning point, not just for AI, but for how we think about AI. It's not just getting better. It's becoming faster, cheaper, more creative, more open, and more integrated into real-world tools and workflows. From Google and OpenAI to Tencent, Stanford, and a dozen new players, innovation is accelerating. And as nations invest heavily, like the UAE building AI infrastructure at scale, the era of centralized gatekeeping is fading. The future is distributed. The future is multimodal. The future is already here. Thank you for joining us for 15 episodes of AI Update. If you learned something, smiled once, or felt the future creeping up on you, then it was all worth it. Until next time, stay curious.